Today I am reviewing Amazon Basics 27-inch gaming monitor. If at any time you like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Amazon Basics 27-inch gaming monitor is an excellent entry-level monitor that offers a combination of performance, clarity, and value, making it ideal for both gamers and general users looking for a reliable display. At 27 inches, the monitor strikes the perfect balance between immersive visuals and desk space efficiency. The full HD 1080p resolution ensures that games, movies, and productivity tasks are presented in sharp, vibrant detail. While some higher-end monitors feature 1440p or 4K, this monitor's 1080p panel is more than sufficient for most users, delivering crisp images without demanding excessive power from your computer or graphics card. The IPS technology provides wide viewing angles of up to 170 degrees, which means colors and contrasts remain consistent whether you're sitting directly in front of the screen or slightly off to the side, a feature that makes it perfect for multiplayer gaming or collaborative work. One of the most compelling aspects of this monitor is its high refresh rate. With a 165 Hz refresh rate, the Amazon Basics 27-inch monitor allows for incredibly smooth gameplay. For gamers, this is a critical feature because it reduces motion blur and makes fast-paced action sequences appear fluid. When combined with the 1 millisecond response time, the monitor virtually eliminates ghosting, which can be a serious disadvantage in competitive gaming. This means that whether you're playing first-person shooters, racing games, or real-time strategy games, the actions on the screen will feel instantaneous and precise. Adaptive sync technology is also included, which synchronizes the refresh rate of the monitor with the output of your GPU, reducing screen tearing and stuttering for an even smoother experience. The monitor is not only optimized for gaming but is also versatile for other tasks. With HDMI, DisplayPort, and USB-C connectivity, it can be easily connected to gaming PCs, laptops, consoles, or even streaming devices. The VESA compatibility adds another level of flexibility, allowing users to mount the monitor on a wall or an adjustable monitor arm for ergonomic setups. This is particularly useful for gamers who want to save desk space or create multi-monitor setups. Setting up the monitor is straightforward, thanks to its plug-and-play design. You don't need to install complex software or drivers, making it an excellent choice for beginners and those who want a hassle-free experience. In addition to performance, the monitor provides solid usability features for everyday computing. Its glossy IPS panel delivers rich, saturated colors that make movies, streaming content, and even office applications look visually appealing. While the monitor is primarily designed for gaming, its clear text rendering and accurate colors make it suitable for photo editing, video editing, and productivity tasks. The 27-inch size is large enough to enjoy immersive gameplay and multimedia experiences, yet compact enough to fit comfortably on most desks without dominating your workspace. Durability and design also play an important role. The Amazon Basics monitor is built with a solid frame and reliable materials, ensuring longevity even with daily use. The monitor's black finish is sleek and modern, easily fitting into a variety of setups. The lightweight design makes it simple to move or adjust, and the included stand provides stable support. For those looking for a clean, organized workspace, the VESA mounting option is invaluable. Another important aspect is the value proposition. While there are premium gaming monitors available that offer higher resolutions, larger panels, or advanced features like HDR or OLED, they come at a significantly higher price. The Amazon Basics 27-inch gaming monitor provides nearly all the essential features required for a smooth, enjoyable gaming and multimedia experience at a very reasonable price point. Its combination of 165 Hz refresh rate, 1 millisecond response time, and adaptive sync ensures that it can handle fast-paced gaming without lag or screen tearing, something that is typically found on more expensive monitors. Lastly, customer support and warranty add peace of mind. Amazon offers a 1-year limited warranty on this monitor, which is more than sufficient for most users. The brand is also known for responsive customer service, making it easy to resolve any issues or concerns if they arise. This adds to the monitor's appeal, especially for first-time buyers or budget-conscious gamers who want reliability without paying a premium. In conclusion, the Amazon Basics 27-inch gaming monitor is a fantastic all-rounder that delivers strong performance, excellent visuals, and smooth gaming capabilities at an affordable price. It provides a large, crisp 1080p display with wide viewing angles, a high 165 Hz refresh rate, and a 1 millisecond response time, making it ideal for both casual and competitive gaming.